failure to follow simple doctor's orders, especially about keeping up with your medications, costs billions of dollars and countless lives in the thousands.
I'm really pleased to join with the National Consumers League to launch this Script Your Future campaign. And it's a national campaign to raise awareness of how important it is to take your medications as directed.
3 out of 4 Americans fail to take prescribed medication as directed, which can be a serious and even deadly problem. The Surgeon General is joining us this morning to talk more about the conversation that you need to have with your doctor.
With these figures about Rhode Island as concerns asthma and heart disease, it sounds more important than ever for people to actually take the prescriptions as prescribed and as often as prescribed.
A complex problem like this has to be addressed on several fronts, with the patient, with healthcare professionals, and with the healthcare system. Our focus, of course, in this campaign is on the patient. On our new website, scriptyourfuture.org, we're also providing patients and caregivers with helpful tools and information, such as text reminders and sample questions to ask your doctor or your pharmacist. We're working in 6 communities to reach out to patients in doctors' offices, pharmacies, and in their homes. We're also working to pilot interventions in each of those communities.
Donna Marsh and Marston Alfred are part of a team kicking off a new campaign this week. Cincinnati is one of 6 cities selected for a pilot program called Script Your Future.
The Surgeon General has launched a new campaign called Script Your Future.
3 out of 4 Americans don't take their prescription medicine as directed by doctors, and a lot of them don't even get the medicines filled.
Do you follow your prescription medication as directed? Surgeon General says 3 out of 4 Americans aren't doing it. New national campaign has been launched at scriptyourfuture.org.
U.S. Surgeon General Dr. Regina Benjamin joins us now to explain how listening to your doctor could actually save your life.
Over the last 3 years, the National Consumers League has built a coalition of more than 100 public and private stakeholders to create this, which is the first of its kind consumer campaign to educate Americans about the issue.
The National Consumers League is all about protecting consumers, or patients in this case, and they have amazing credibility. They have been able to bring together 100 public and private organizations, stakeholders like the National Association of Chain Drug Stores Foundation, to improve the lives of Americans, which is really what the National Consumer League has really been all about throughout its amazing history.
I'm excited to be a part of the Script Your Future campaign because it can provide the tools and inspiration to encourage doctors to talk to our patients more frequently and effectively about medication adherence. And Script Your Future will encourage patients to initiate these conversations themselves and to motivate them to take their health into their own hands.